Okay, so look at chapter number 1. So we have started chapter number 1, physical chemistry, right? So initially I told you about the syllabus. We have 3 subtopics, right? Subatomic particles, electron and nucleus. And then we started subatomic particle, right? Subatomic particle means, yes, Isa? Subatomic particle
Proton,
means
neutron, and electron.
electron, proton, and neutron, right? So, first question was taken from 2006, October, November, right? You have to draw the uh, figure to show the direction of electron, proton, and neutron, right? So, we have positive plate and negative plate. And here you have source of particle. So, can you tell me the direction of electron? Either it is towards the positive plate or negative plate.
So towards the positive plate.
Exactly. Why? Why electron moves
Because it
towards
is
positive
negative.
plate? Because
Because it is
electron,
negative.
exactly, because electron is negatively charged particle. Okay. Can you tell me the direction of the proton?
Towards the negative plate.
Towards the negative plate. Why towards the negative plate?
It is positively charged.
Because proton is positively charged. And what is the direction of neutron?
So just in a straight line.
A straight line. So it is not deflected by any plate. Can you tell me why?
Because it has no charge.
Because it has no charge. Exactly. Now, can you tell me the difference between the deflection of electron and proton?
So electron deflects more because it has a lighter weight.
Okay. Examiner asked this question for 2 marks. Why angle of deflection of electron is greater than angle of deflection of proton? Yes. Tell me for the 2 marks. Yes.
So because firstly electron is lighter, and secondly
First,
electron
lighter
has a
particle
larger
has.
angle of deflection.
Sorry.
Yes, electron has a larger angle of deflection because it is lighter.
Okay. First is electron has lighter means low mass over charge ratio. Lighter means low mass over charge ratio. Because you know that charge on proton and electron is 1. So mass over charge means mass. So electron has low mass over charge ratio. For 2 mark, lighter particle has more angle of deflection. Okay. Now, then we did 2015 May June variant 21, and the question was complete the table, right? So can you tell me which particle is lightest? Electron, right? You told me lightest particle is electron. Can you tell me the relative mass of electron?
Yes, sir. 1 by 1836.
1836. You remember that mass of the electron in O level, you have studied that it is 1 over 1840. But the exact value is in A level 1 over 1836. Do not write 1 over 1840. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
In few question, the mass is written 0.00054. Now you can compare the masses of these particles. If neutron is 1, proton is 1, so the mass of electron is 0.00054, 10,000 times lighter. Then we discuss different formulas to find the number of electron, proton, and neutron. Then you determine proton number, neutron number, electron number. Now, can you tell me what is the function of periodic table?
Sir,
Why?
only to find the proton number.
Yes. Only to see the proton number and
Identify element.
Identify the element. Do not use periodic table to find the molecular mass, atomic mass, right? You can use it for the proton number. You can use it for the proton number, not for the nucleon number, not for anything. The same question is in 2019. Now, let's start today's first question. 2009 October, November, right? Now, next question, 9701, variant 23, October, November, 2010. October, November, 2010. Variant 23. Yes, here you have the question. Isotopes are given. Isotopes are given. Yes. This is for 2 marks, right? Yes. Tell me how to solve this question. Yes.
Sir, so first we look at the periodic table for a number of protons.
Very good,
Magnesium.
very good, very good. First, find the number of proton by seeing the proton number from the periodic table. Yes.
So 12 protons.
To
So then
12
we-
protons for magnesium, 12 protons for this magnesium again. Okay. Now, how do you find the neutron number?
So 24 minus 12 and then 26.
Very good,
26.
very good. 24 is the nucleon number. Subtract proton number from nucleon number. You will get neutron number. Now, beta, for the magnesium 26. Yes.
So 26 minus 12.
26 minus 12 is 14. So subtract proton number from nucleon number. Correct. Now tell me, do you have charge on magnesium in these two?
No.
No. If there is no charge, it means number of proton is equal to the number of electron. Yes. Tell me the number of electron.
Both are 12.
Both are 12. Very good. Very good. Next question, 9701, variant 23, October, November, 2011. Now, 2011, again October, November, and again variant 23. Yes, where is? Yes, here we have. Yes. Anyone other than Isa? Yes. Anyone?
Oh yeah, so wait, let me just check the
You are Abdullah?
no, my
Good
name's Hamza.
Hamza. Hamza, question is given, right? So
Yep.
you have to find the number of proton, electron, and neutron. So which particle do you like to find first?
I'll do it for the PO one.
Which particle? Electron, proton, or neutron?
Oh, protons first.
Proton. Always find the proton first. Yes.
So polonium's atomic number is 84. It's
84.
going to be
Correct.
the electrons is obviously going to be 84 as well. And then
Because why both are same?
because the charge on polonium is 0. So it's gonna
Exactly,
be
because there is no charge. Very good. Very good, Hamza. Very good. Next, how do you
And
find the
then-
number of neutron?
213 minus 84, which is 129.
Oh, very good. It's quite easy.
Yeah.
I think 129.
Yes, 129.
Okay. Now thorium. Yes. Tell me the number of proton.
Wait, so it's 232. Wait, give me a second.
Yes.
Where is thorium?
Thorium after polonium. It's radioactive.
Oh, right, it's so it's 90.
It's 90.
Atomic. Yeah, the atomic number is 90.
And number of electrons?
90.
90. Because
then
there is no charge, right?
Mhm.
Okay. And neutron?
142.
142. So you obtained by subtracting 90 from 232. So 142.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, I have only one question, right? And after this question, I will take a smaller test, right, from the past paper. This is the last practice question. Then we are moving to a minor test. (2009) October, November, variant 21. Yes. This is the last question. Yes. This is for 3 marks, right? Yes. I need only answer. Anyone? Ra is radium and U is uranium. Yes. First tell me number of proton for both radium and uranium. First I need number of proton for both. Anyone? Isa, Hamza, anyone?
Okay, sir, I'll tell you. Radium has 88 and uranium has 92.
92. Right. So there is no charge. So again 88 and 92 both are same. Now how to find the number of neutron?
The mass number minus the atomic number.
Exactly. 88. Yes. I think 138. 138?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
For uranium, 238 minus 92, I think 146. Now, beta, I am going to take a brief test, right? Yes. Basically, this question is from 2016, 9701, variant 21, May, June 2016. Now, first question is for Hamza. Hamza, are you listening my voice?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Hamza, you have 4 questions, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first question is for you,
Okay.
right? So first
Okay.
question is lithium, right?
Yeah.
So can you solve this question?
Sure.
Which particle do you find first?
I guess you're gonna go with the number of protons,
Very
which
good.
is
Which is 3. Right.
3.
Correct. Correct.
Number of
Why can you
electrons.
okay, sorry. Can you tell me why number of proton is 3?
Yeah, because it's the same as atomic number. The atomic number is the
Exactly. Atomic number, let's suppose if it is A is equal to P. This is proton number, proton is equal to A. This is A, this is P. So your answer is correct. Now, can you tell me the number of electron?
it's going to be 2.
2. Why
Yeah.
2?
Because the overall charge of the ion itself is +1, so there has to
Okay.
be one more proton than electron.
No, you can say that here charge is +1. So it means you have one less electron,
Yeah, one less electron.
right? Proton
Mhm.
remain constant. No one can change the number of proton, but we can change the number of electron. We can get electron from any atom. We can give electron to any atom, but no one can change the number of proton. Proton numbers are always fixed. So whenever you have positive charge, subtract positive charge to find the number of electron. If you have negative charge, add the charge from the number of to the number of proton. Are you getting my point?
Yes, I am.
So electron is 2. Why 2? Because you have +1 charge. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now neutron. Yes, neutron. This is nucleon number n. This is proton plus neutron. Yes. Can you tell me how to find the number of neutron?
Yeah. So you have the nucleon number, which is 6. Just subtract the atomic number or the number of protons, and then you get the number of neutrons.
Exactly. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So Hamza, very good. Very good. Now it's Isa, your turn.
Okay, sir.
So which one you select first?
I'll select the oxygen.
Yes, oxygen, but which particle? Electron, proton, or neutron?
Firstly, the atomic number and the protons.
Atomic number 8 proton. Okay. So how do you find it?
We look at the periodic table, and
Very
most of them
good,
have
very
8.
good, Isa. Very good, very good. From the periodic table. Very good. Now tell me,
They have 8.
8 proton number and atomic number is 8. Okay.
Yes.
Now nucleon number. Now Isa, should you check
8.
periodic table to find the number of nucleon number?
No.
Okay. Very good, very good. So how can you find the nucleon number?
We'll just add 9 plus 8 because they gave us the neutrons.
Very good, very good. 9 plus 8 is 17. Very good. Very good. Now charge.
-2
Why -2?
because there are 2 more electrons than the protons.
Very good, very good, very good. Negative charge indicates electrons are in greater number. Negative charge indicates electrons are in greater number. And how much greater? Magnitude 2 indicates 2 electrons are greater than proton. Okay, next. Hamza,
Yes, sir.
number 3.
So the atomic number is 26. So I'm gonna have
Atomic
to
number is
choose
26.
yes, it's going to be iron, I guess. Fe.
Yes, yes, iron is 26.
Yeah.
So, will I write Fe for iron?
No, you're just
Or,
gonna write iron, like the whole thing itself.
okay, because lithium spelling is written and oxygen spelling is written. That's why it's better to write the iron. I-R-O-N, iron. Okay, now number of neutron.
The number of neutrons is going to be around so that's 28, I think.
Very good. Why?
Because 54 minus 26 is 28.
Very good. 54 minus 26 is 28. Correct.
And then the
Now,
overall charge is 2 plus
2 plus
or plus 2.
or plus 2. Both are correct. Why plus?
Because they're 2 less electrons compared to
No, no.
protons.
Yes, yes, yes. 2 less electron. Very good. Very good. 2 less electron. Or you can say that here we have 2 more proton than electron, right? And
Yes.
why 2? Because the number is 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Yes, Isa.
Yes, sir.
This one. 4 1.
Okay, sir. So the name of the element is chlorine.
Name of the element is chlorine. Are you sure?
Yeah, 17 protons.
Very good. It's chlorine. Then
The atomic number is also 17.
atomic number is also 17. Correct. Then
The nuclear number is 35
why 35?
because protons plus neutrons.
17 plus 18 is 35. Correct. And what about the electron?
They're also 17 because there's no charge.
If there is no charge, it means number of electron and proton are same. Right? Now
Yes.
I am giving you the question, right? And both of you solve complete question, right? And after completion, you will tell me the correct answer, right? So yes, here. Now this is question for, this is for 4 marks, right? Now let us solve. When you solve, tell me.
Right. So like, you want me to do the whole thing?
Yes, the whole in your
All right. Got
notebook.
it. Okay.
Hamza, have you done?
No, not with the whole thing yet.
Okay. Isa?
Yes, sir, same. Not
Okay. Okay, okay, very good. Try. This one will be the last question to find the number of electron, proton, and neutron. After that, we will move forward to the new topic.
sure, I'm done.
Okay. Isa, you have done, right? So, Isa, can you tell me the name of element? Both.
Lead and lithium.
Lead
And lithium.
and lithium. Okay. Now, Hamza, have you done?
Yes, sir. I'm done.
Yes. Tell me the nucleon number of nitrogen and lithium.
So the nucleon number of nitrogen is going to be 15.
15.
Yeah.
Because 7 plus 8 is 15, correct? And lithium?
The lithium is going to be 6.
6, because 3 plus 3 is 6, correct? Correct. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Now, Isa, can you tell me the
Yes, sir.
atomic number of nitrogen?
Yes, 7.
7 from the periodic table. You saw this number 7, and for the lithium?
It's 3.
3, mashallah, correct. Now next, proton. Yes. Hamza?
Yes, sir. The proton number of the first two, that's going to be
Yes.
5 and 7.
5 and 7, mashallah, correct. Mashallah, correct. Hamza, can you tell me the number of neutron?
For boron and lead,
Yes, boron and lead.
it's going to be 5 and 126.
Very good. 10 minus 5 is 5. And for the lead is?
126.
126. So 208 minus 82 is 126. Yes, Isa, number of electrons?
For boron, there are 5 electrons.
5
And for lithium,
electrons.
and for lithium, there are 2.
Okay. Isa, can you tell me the charges also?
Nitrogen is -3.
-3.
And lead is +2.
+2. Negative sign indicates electrons are in greater number. Positive sign indicates proton numbers are greater in number, right? 3 indicates 3 electrons are greater than protons, and +2 indicates 2 protons are greater than electron. Now this is all about number of electron, number of proton. This is all about the subatomic particle, right? Now, do you have any question regarding subatomic particle? Do you have any question regarding subatomic particle? We have discussed 3 things, right? Direction. We have discussed direction of subatomic particle. We have discussed relative masses and charges, and we have discussed how to find the number of electron, proton, and neutron. Yes, Vijay. Do you have any question?
No. So, sir, wait, which topic are we like learning about right now? Is it like the first topic about the like with regards to the atomic structure?
Huzaifa, yes. Hamza, sorry, yeah. Hamza,
Yeah.
we have started first chapter, physical chemistry, right?
Okay.
Last time, I think in demo class we have discussed this chapter, right? Introduction, right? So
Somewhat,
basically, okay. So I repeat it again. So in atomic structure, you have 3 subtopic, right? Subatomic particle, electron, and nucleus, right? This
Okay.
was our first topic, subatomic particle, right? So
Okay.
we have three questions in it. First, direction of the electron, proton, and neutron. You know that electron moves towards the positive plate,
Yeah.
proton moves towards the negative plate, and neutrons are not diffracted by any plate, so remain
Yeah.
unchanged, right? And then we discuss the relative charges, relative masses of electron, proton, and neutron. You know that electron is the lightest particle. The relative mass of the electron is 1 over 1836 or 0.00054. Then the last one we have discussed uh, how to find the number of electron, proton, and neutron. This is all about the number of subatomic particle. Do you have any question?
No, I got it all.
Okay,
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Yes, Isa, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, now I am moving towards nucleus. In nucleus, our first topic is isotope. Isotope. Yes. What is isotope? Examiner asked, define isotope for 2 mark. For 2 mark. Yes.
Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same atomic number, but a
Very good,
different
very good,
property.
very good, very good. Huzaifa, I'm sorry. Hamza, I'm sorry. Your first part is correct. Atom of same element, right? This is for 1 mark. Atom of same element. Atom of same element. Your first point is correct. Yes. Now, second statement for 2nd marks. Yes. Hamza, please.
Sir. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's the same atomic number, but a different mass number. So the mass or nucleon number, whichever one you really want to state.
Yes, this one is for the 2nd mark, right? With same number of electron, or you can say that proton, or you can say that atomic number. But different number of neutron or nucleon number. Beta, this question came in 2018, October, November 2018. Now, my next question is, what is the similarity and what is the difference between isotopes? Now tell me, what is the similarity and differences? So here, similarity and here difference. Yes, Isa, can you tell me what is same in isotope?
Sir, the proton number.
Proton. Protons are same. And second thing, what is same?
Electrons.
Electrons. Correct. Number 3. Yes. What is same? Electronic configuration. You know that in first shell we have 2 electrons. In second shell we have 8 electrons. This is called electronic configuration. So if electrons are same, then electronic configuration is also same. Configuration means in first shell we have 2 electrons. Distribution of electron within the orbit is called electronic configuration. So isotopes have same proton, same electron, same electronic configuration. Can you tell me fourth property, fourth thing which is common in isotopes?
The reactivity.
Reactivity or chemical reaction, exactly. Can you tell me why isotopes have same chemical properties?
Yeah, because they're the same number of electrons in the outer shell.
Exactly. Very good. Chemical properties are same because chemical properties depends on number of electron and isotopes have same number of electron. That's why their chemical properties are same. So the question is that why isotopes have same chemical property? Yes, Isa, can you tell me the answer?
So due to the same number of electrons in the outer shell.
Electrons, no need to write the number of proton. If you write number of proton, answer would be wrong. Because they have same number of electron. This is for 2 marks, right? Because they have same number of electrons. This is for 1 mark, and for 2nd mark, chemical property depends on number of electron. Chemical properties depend on number of electron. Hamza, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, I understand.
Alhamdulillah. Now tell me what is the difference between two isotopes? Yes, what is difference? Can
So are you
anyone
asking
tell
me?
me? Yeah, anyone?
So
Neutron.
the number of
Very good, neutron. Next,
the mass number.
mass number or nucleon number. Nucleon number is also different. Number 3. Yes. What is the difference? Number 3 is physical property. Physical property means their morphology, their structure, their shape, their presence, their morphology, their appearance, their color, physical properties. Next, anything which is different? Their mass is different. Number 5, their atomic speed. Atomic speed is different. Because atomic speed depends on nucleon number. Now, do you have any question regarding isotope? Yes,
No,
beta,
sir.
do you have any? Okay. Next is isotope of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen. So can you tell me how many isotopes does hydrogen have?
Two isotopes or three?
3 isotopes, right? Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Beta, you have to memorize these isotopes, right? This is 1, 1. This is 2, 1. This is 3, 1. Now, we have 3 isotopes. First is electron, then proton, and then neutron. Just tell me how many electrons, proton and neutron in first one. Can you tell me?
So one electron, one proton, and one neutron.
One electron. How many protons? One proton. And neutron is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And for second one, how many electrons?
One.
1, 1. How many protons? 1, 1. How many neutrons? 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you can see that electron, protons are same. Electron, proton are same. If I write nucleon number, then you can see that nucleon number is 1, 2, and 3. Now you can see that these two are different. Beta, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza. Hamza, are you getting my point?
Yes, I am, sir. I'm hearing everything.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes, I am.
Okay,
I hear
beta.
everything.
Very good. Now, second is next is isotope of chlorine. Isotope of chlorine. Isotopes of chlorine. So chlorine has 2 isotopes, 35, 17. Chlorine 37, 17. Yes, tell me the number of electron, proton, and neutron. Yes, beta. Can you tell me the number of electron in it?
Sir, 17.
17.
The number of electrons and protons is in both 17.
17. Very good.
And yeah, and then
17.
the value of the, what do you call it, the neutrons varies. So in the first one is 18 and the second one is 20.
Okay, 35 minus 17 is 18. And 37 minus 17 is 20. and nucleon number. Nucleon number is 35 and here nucleon number is 37. So you can see that they are isotope because they have same electron proton and different neutron and nucleon number. You have to memorize for hydrogen, you have to memorize for chlorine. This is a part of the syllabus. You have to memorize it. Now, next is isotope of bromine. Isotope of bromine. Isotope of bromine. So bromine also have two isotopes. $79, $35, $81, $35. Now, can you tell me the number of electron proton?
35.
Okay, 35. Electron proton 35. And here electron proton 35. So both are same. Now, can you tell me the number of neutron?
44 and 46.
Very good. You have to memorize these two. These three, hydrogen, chlorine, and bromine. So this is 46. So neutron and nucleon number are different. So here you have 79, here you have 81. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Hamza, can you repeat what are isotopes?
Yes, isotopes are elements with the same, atoms with the same element with the same atomic number, but different number of neutrons.
Exactly. They have different chemical properties or same?
They have different, chemical properties, different, no, same chemical properties, sorry.
Same chemical properties because
Because
they have same number of
electrons in the outer shell.
electrons. Very good, very good. Now, next topic is relative atomic mass. Define a relative atomic mass. Examiner asked this definition for 3 marks. Examiner asked this definition for 3 marks. Now you know that this is beam balance. This is beam balance. Let's suppose this beam balance is used to find the mass, right? And you are going to find the mass of chlorine. Let's suppose chlorine. So put chlorine here and take carbon 12 and take its 1/12 part and put it here. Now compare the masses. After comparison, you will get the mass of chlorine. This is called relative atomic mass of chlorine. Are you getting my point or not?
Yeah, I am. So it's the ratio of the atomic mass of an atom compared to the carbon 12.
Carbon 12, right? So
Yep.
why carbon 12? Because carbon 12 is the only element which has exactly 12.0000 mass. That's why we use carbon. So for 3 marks, first mark is mean mass. Why mean mass? Because you have isotope. So you should take mean mass. Isa, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, I am.
Okay, mean mass of an atom. This atom may be of chlorine, bromine, or any. Mean mass of an atom relative to 1/12 mass of carbon 12. For third mark, you have to write on a scale where carbon 12 atom has exactly 12 unit. Exactly 12 unit. Yes, Isa, have you written?
No, sir, I'm writing.
Okay. So for 3 marks, you have to write mean mass of an atom related to 1/12 mass of carbon 12. Why carbon 12? Because carbon 12 has exactly 12 unit. Now next is define relative isotopic mass. (9701) variant 22 May June 2017. In 2017, examiner asked about the relative isotopic mass. Yes. Hamza, can you tell me the definition of this?
Relative isotomic mass.
Yes, isotopic mass.
So if we just replace mean mass of an atom, so can we say like mean mass of an atom of the same
No, 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 no.
element?
Just change one, right? Make one changes. Mean mass of an isotope,
Isotope.
while the remaining definition remains same. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Isa, next question for you. Define relative formula mass. Examiner asked in 2019 in February March paper. Yes. Isa, can you define?
Sir, is it the relative mass of the atom compared to the relative mass of the particular carbon atom? Carbon.
Hmm. You make only one change, right?
So in a formula, sir, it's an ionic compound, right? So is it going to be mass of an ion?
No, there is no. Yeah, if the examiner asks, what do you mean by relative ionic mass? So you should write mean mass of an ion.
Right.
Hamza, are you getting? Hamza, are you getting?
But okay, so in a formula, then what should I write? Like a molecule?
Formula unit, mean mass of one formula unit. One formula unit of a species, or it may be ion or ion. So, for example, formula mass NaCl is 58.5. So, formula mass of NaCl is 58.5. Now, another question. Define relative molecular mass for 3 marks. Yes. Yes, anyone?
Sir, will we just change the word again? Just put molecule.
The relative molecular mass, right? So
Yeah.
replace of a molecule while the remaining definition remains same. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. This is all about the definition, right? Now, the question is that how to find the relative atomic or isotopic mass. How to find a relative atomic or isotopic mass of an element. Yes. Can you tell me how to find?
The relative isotomic mass, I guess it can be calculated by percentage abundance multiplied by the mass of the isotope itself.
Exactly, exactly. But how do you get the percentage abundance and mass over charge ratio?
Isn't it normally given in the question?
Yes, you can say that, but it's if the numerical is asking by the examiner. But my question is that practically how do you find the relative molecular mass? For example, you have lemon juice, right?
Oh, right.
And
So
yes, and you
yeah,
find the molecular mass of the given solution. How can you find the molecular mass?
you take
Or
the mass number or whatever the elements, like the mass number of
by
the
a machine, yes, by a
yeah,
machine known as mass spectrometer.
right, mass
So
spectrometer.
mass spectrometer by mass spectrometer. By mass spectrometer. What is mass spectrometer? Mass spectrometer is a device, electronic device to find the mass of an isotope or an element. In the form of graph, This graph is called mass spectrum. Mass spectrum. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, bete. So look at the mass spectrum, right? Mass spectrometer, right? This is a machine for mass spect. This is spectrometer, right? Now, here you have sample inlet. This is sample inlet. This is a place where sample is injected. Let's suppose the name of the sample is M. M is solid. So this is your first chamber. In this chamber, M solid convert into M gas. Solid to gas is evaporation. So this is evaporating chamber. Beta, are you getting my point or not? For example, if you have water, water is liquid. When you inject water in it, first water convert into gas. So gaseous sample is required. Beta, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Hamza?
Yes, sir. I'm getting your point.
Okay. First convert the, beta, listen, mass spectrometer is in your syllabus, right? In organic chemistry, you have to find the molecular mass, molecular ion. So this is the part of this is also the part of organic chemistry. So be careful to listen, right? Be careful to listen. This is also the part of organic chemistry. So I am teaching in physical chemistry. So inshallah, I will give you the same information when we start organic chemistry. So first compartment is where sample is converted into gas. Either the sample is in solid state, either the sample is in liquid state. Initially, you convert solid or liquid into gas. This is called evaporating chamber. Now, next chamber is here you have gaseous. Here you have electron gun. This is electron gun. Electrons are bombarded. So when electron contact with M, you have three options. Either M positive is formed Another chance is to find, to get M negative. And the last option is it remain M. So you have three options. So this chamber is called ionizing chamber because ions are formed. Because ions are formed. Can you tell me how many ions are formed?
Sir, 3.
3 ions. One is M positive, second one is M negative, and third one is
Neutral.
neutral. So neutral is not an ion. So you have only 2 ions, M positive and M negative. Hamza, are you getting my point?
No, not the last bit. Could you just repeat the last bit?
Yes, listen. Initially, solid sample is used.
Okay.
Here, sample is injected. So this is called sample inlet. Now your sample is in solid state. So in evaporating chamber, you first convert solid liquid sample into gaseous one. Now you have gaseous sample in first chamber. Now gaseous sample is bombarded by electron.
Okay.
Electrons are bombarded to M gaseous. So you have three possibilities. Either electron is removed from M positive is formed. Second possibility is electrons are gained by M and M negative is formed. Third option is no effect. So M remain M. Are you getting my point?
Yes, I am.
So ions are formed. Isa, that's why
Yes,
it's called
sir.
ionizing chamber. Are you getting my point, Bide?
Yes, sir.
Now you have 2 ions, positive and negative. Here you have positive plate. Positive plate. Or you can say that positive magnetic field. So this positive plate attract which particle? M positive,
Negative.
M negative, or M neutral?
M negative.
M negative. So M negative are attracted towards M positive. And what about the M positive? Either they are attracted or repelled.
Repelled.
Repel. So M become more reactive because they are repelled by positive plate. That's why positive plates are called accelerator. Accelerator. Why they are called accelerator? Because M positive repelled by it. Are you getting my point or not, Bete?
Yes, sir. Getting.
So you have only M positive. M neutral is useless because it does not have any charge. So now you have only M positive. This is called detector. This is called detector. When M positive strike on detector, a small current is developed. A small current is developed. When M positive strike on the detector, tiny current is developed. Here you have amplifier. This small current amplifies by the amplifier. Then you have computer. Computer convert electric signal to electronic signal. Then you have printer. Printer gave a graph. Printer gave a graph. Bar graph known as mass spectrum. Through the mass spectrum, you can predict the mass. Beta, are you getting my point or not? Can I repeat it from the start?
I got your point, sir.
Okay. Isa,
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah.
okay. So I want to write few points. Here you have detector response. A small current is developed. A small current is developed. Amplifier amplifies a small current. Printer, computer convert electric signal to electronic signal. After the completion of the chapter, I will give you PDF form of the whole notes, right? This is bar graph. Do you have any question regarding mass spectrum?
No, not really.
Okay.
Wait, sir, I just have one main question. I
Yes,
actually
yes.
do. So you know how there's three possibilities when electrons are bombarded within the atom itself or the gaseous state of the atom. So do all three of the possibilities coexist, or is it like well all like only one of the three happens?
If you are asking about evaporating chamber, so yes, these three possibilities are there. If you are asking about M positive, M negative, M neutral, so remember only M positive, which is towards the detector, M negative is attracted by the positive plate, and M neutral is useless because there is no charge. You know that the detector has negative charge, so it only attracts positive particles.
Oh,
That's why M positive is required.
so then, the M positive ones bend towards the accelerator. Sorry, the M negative ones bend towards the accelerator, right? Then what happens to the ones
Yes,
with
they
the
are
neutral
absorbed.
charge? Yeah, so what happens to the neutral ones? Don't they just travel through?
Neutral is useless, right? So neutral means nothing, right? So it's useless because it is not attracted by the positive plate. It is not attracted by the negative plate. So it does not create any interference. That's why useless to discuss its presence.
Okay, right. And
Okay.
then yeah, and
Mhm.
then so the negative ones get sorry, the positive ones get detected by the detector, and then the detector basically comes up with currents. It gives it onto the amplifier. What do you
Exactly.
call what do you call enlarges the signal itself. The computer then converts it into the signal, into electronic
Exactly.
signal, and then the bar graph.
Electronic signal. Exactly. And
Okay,
through
got it.
the electronic signal, we got the graph. And the name of the graph is mass spectrum. So
All right.
examiner asked about the mass spectrum. This is the
Okay.
real theory. This is the real theory. This is the real theory behind the mass. So mass spectrum. Now tell me what is mass spectrum? It is a line graph. It is a line graph. Mass spectrum is a line graph, line graph. Number 2, in y-axis, percentage abundance or abundance is taken. Bete, abundance means possibility of the ion. For example, you have two ions, CH3 positive or C2H5 positive. So possibility to find the CH3 positive is more. So it is called percentage abundance of CH3 is more. Abundance means occurrence.
Okay.
Now number 3, relative isotopic mass, or you can say that mass over charge ratio. Mass over charge ratio is taken on x-axis. Now look at the example of mass spectrum. Let's suppose this is mass spectrum of chlorine. This is mass spectrum of chlorine. Here you have percentage abundance. Here you have mass over charge ratio, or
Sir, I just wanted to ask, is it okay if we can end our class like 5 minutes early today? Because I have another class right afterwards.
yes, you have only 2 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, right? After that, I will finish this one, right?
Okay, sure.
Need 5 minutes more, right?
Okay,
Mass
sure.
over charge ratio or relative isotopic mass. This is for chlorine, right? First, we have this line, and then we have this line. This is 35. Here we have 37. This is 75%. This is 25%. So line indicates number of isotope. Line or bar indicates number of isotopes. Number of isotopes. Because this is mass spectrum of chlorine. Mass spectrum of chlorine. Now the last one is this is your last one. Here you have abundance. Mass spectrum of bromine On x-axis, you have only abundance. On x-axis, you have only abundance. So here you have 79. Here you have 81. So both are same. This is abundance. Are you getting my point or not? Bete,
Yes,
Isa,
I
are you
answer.
now, Isa, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I had background noise, so I couldn't answer.
Okay. Okay. So what is the formula to find the AR when atomic percentage abundance is given? X1, Y1 plus X2, Y2 divided by 100. Divided by 100. Whenever percentage abundance is given, use this formula. But when abundance is written, use this formula. X1, Y1 plus X2, Y2 divided by Y1 plus Y2. Bete, remember, whenever you have abundance, use this formula. When percentage abundance is given, use this formula. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Inshallah, tomorrow we will start its practice, right? Do you have any question?
No, sir, no questions.
No, sir.
Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Sir,
Allah Hafiz, beta.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.